Hi, in this one we're going to continue with our algebra review, and this is an inequality, and we're going to solve for m here, right? So we've got some fractions. We have to remember some things about when to switch the inequality sign. So the first thing to think about here is what's the first step to make this simpler? We need to look for a common denominator to get rid of these fractions. We can't add them, we can't do anything with them. So what would be a common denominator on both sides? It looks like we've got a third and a fifth going on here, so the lowest common denominator of that would be 15. So we multiply both sides by 15. What do we need to remember when we are multiplying or dividing both sides in an inequality? We have to remember that if we multiply or divide by a negative number, that we're going to switch that inequality sign. So we're going to switch directions. This is a positive number, so we don't have to switch. If we add or subtract, we don't do anything to the inequality sign either. So we're going to multiply both sides by 15. So I'm going to just write that here. Okay. So that will give me 5m minus 60. And over here we will have 35 minus 3m. So we've gotten rid of our fractions by using a lowest common denominator. The next step is to simplify. Now we've got a fairly simple situation. We've got some m's on either side and some constants on either side. So I'm going to put my variable on the left side by adding 3m to both sides. So on the right, that's going to cancel out and give me 0. And on the left, I'm going to have 8m minus 60 still greater than 35. Right, so now I want to get all my constants over to the right. So I'm going to add 60 to both sides. That'll give me 8m is greater than 95. So we're almost there. All we have to do is to divide both sides by 8. Do we have to do anything with our sign here? No, because it's positive, right? So we're divided by a positive number, so our sign stays the same. And we get m is greater than 95/8. So that's the exact answer. If we type it in the calculator, we get 11.875. Either of these will work. And that's a review of those good old inequalities.